Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about some profits today. Peter K. Peter just started less than a week ago, less than 1 week, and he is up. That's roughly 350 over 20. So, what's that about $8,000 right there that he's up? Um, Scott God pulled in so one, two, three, four, five, six, about $1,800. He pulled up another account, did 400. Jerry did 350 today, and let's see this one right here. He did micros today. He's got to get back into the groove of things. So a little over $100, still green. We take the green. And this one here, he had some issues with his the slippage today, but round number 600 times 20 is about $18,000. Is that right? $12,000. Sorry. And today I did 12,007. That's actually $791. That's probably the net though. 12,775 on the net. Right there. See, yeah, 12,775 net is what I made after the commissions. Did pretty good. We got some Spybot profits in here. This one here, he did. What is that? There's 500, 5,000, and it looks like 1,000 right there. And then David did $600 on this one. We had a few others in here. We had 184 there, 33.50 on this one, and that was for today. So profit's pretty good today. So how do you make the profits? And actually, to let you know, the chat room, this is the real deal here. This is where we're calling out stuff, new people coming in, helping people out, showing different things. So yes, it is a real room. Call outs. What do I do on call outs? Today I didn't really do anything because we were waiting on the FOMC today. So I had no call outs today. I wanted to see see what was going to happen. I did give the information about the margins going to happen. We also give some different call outs yesterday, right to the almost to the tick on these, given the exact trades that we're going to have, and also just some different things. The call outs actually worked out really well. We stayed on it pretty good all day. We've got like Apex rules. We got some stuff in here talking about that. Your prop turns, evaluations passed, people passing in here, and we've got rules. I don't show the rules to everybody. Questions and answers, a lot of different stuff. Like if you have questions, what's going on here, some different links for different things. We just started this call out options. We're going to start doing some more options in here. And but anyway, the chat room, the Discord rules and stuff. It's pretty basic. Nothing real big or anything. It actually works out pretty good. So how do you get all this? The Ninja Suite, the most powerful Ninja platform suite package on the internet, in my opinion. You get the training, you get the indicators, you get the bots. Don't even have everything listed here. We got a lot more than what we use here. Our number one bot is the scalper. Use it a lot. Several different ways to use it. We've got our live training, Discord room. The Discord room is where it's all happening. Here's some frequently asked questions. You can pause this and go through there and look at it, or just go to my website and take a look. I answer about every question that you're going to have, but still get some questions every now and then, and it works out real well. Funded accounts. Oh yeah, we work on funded accounts. All of our bots and indicators work on the funded accounts. It works on any instrument that you can pull up on NinjaTrader. So it does work on everything. The settings are different. You're going to have to find your settings on some stuff that we don't trade. We usually trade NQ and ES. That's our number two instruments. Right here is the comparison between Apex and UProfit. Apex is by far the best one. And if you go to Apex, what you want to do is you want to click down here on the 50,000 package. Here's your discount code. Put that in, you get 50% off of this price. Any sale that Apex runs, you can use this coupon on. So if you hear one come in to 80% or something like they run occasionally, this coupon will work at the same time. So always use this coupon to get you the best deal that you can get. If it'll either give you the best deal they're offering or a better deal that they're not offering. So always use that coupon. Save you some money. The 50,000 is what I recommend everybody get. It's pretty easy to pass. Drawdown's pretty basic. It's a really good one. So it works out very, very well. If you have any questions, go up here to the contact us. Put in your information here. Put your questions here and I'll answer them back. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number and put a time of Eastern Standard Time of when we can get together to talk, and we'll see what we can do. So this is how it all works. Today was the $12,791 gross profit. It worked out really well. Real pleased with it. We have a lot of good traders in there now. We've got people that started and never did a thing that are now banging it out with lots of money. We still got some people struggling. We're helping them get along, and they're going to come right along and do very well. Having questions, let me know. You guys have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.